Hey, it's Rusty. Thanks for tuning in to Burning Cereal. Today, what I have for you is something that you may have seen yesterday on Kirsten and I's MandoVanAdventures channel. It was a lemon garlic butter chicken thighs. I made it on the scuttle, which is a South African plowing disc. It's a really cool device that we use to cook, but today I'm going to show you how to make this at home. You don't need that scuttle. You can make this in a single pan at home. Super easy ingredients. Chicken thighs, you can use chicken breasts, I just prefer thighs. Garlic, lemon, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of butter. Spice-wise, salt, pepper, paprika, onion. You can give it a little kick with some red peppers. Then we're also gonna do some zucchini and some cherry tomatoes. We're gonna throw all this together. It's as easy as All right, so the first thing that we're gonna prepare is going to be the chicken. And again, like I've always said, you wanna try and dry out this chicken as much as possible. Make sure you take it out of the fridge, let it sit for a little while, come to room temperature, and then just pat it dry with a paper towel. If you don't pat it dry and it goes on the skillet while it's wet, it's not gonna sear very well. So get that nice and dry. We're gonna put it over here for seasoning. Now we're gonna season both sides of these chicken breasts. What I've got in here is all the spices we had before. So salt, pepper, onion powder, and paprika. Give it a little pat, flip it over, do the other side. With that little pat, flip it over and do it one more time. Now set these aside. Now would be a great time to do all your slicing and dicing that you have to do. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and sear the chicken. Get your pan, I'm not gonna say ripping hot. You wanna get it a medium high. On this particular induction, it's about 300 degrees. So we're gonna take a little bit of oil. And drop our chicken in. And we're gonna let these guys go for about 3 or 4 minutes per side. So when they hit 165, take them off, set them aside, and I'll be honest with you, these two didn't take nearly as long to cook as this one. This one took me a good 12, 13 minutes to get it up to 165. And don't be afraid to temp it. Make sure that you get your poultry up to 165. I'm not ashamed to say that I threw a thermometer in each one of those to make sure that they were up to temp. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this aside, give the pan a little clean, and we're gonna start on the veg. All right, so we gave the pan just a quick wipe out, just to get some of the crusty chicken out of there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the vegetables in. Give them a quick dusting in salt and pepper before we put them in. First thing we're gonna do, we're at about a medium high. Again, about a tablespoon of oil. About a tablespoon of butter. Get that moving around a little bit. Some garlic. Again, as usual, just cook this until you can start to smell it. If it goes beyond that, you're gonna wind up burning it. Now we can add the vegetables. Again, it's just sliced zucchini and sliced tomatoes. Try and get your slices as uniform as possible. I used a mandolin because my cutting skills are not that good. Mix this around, get everything coated. Okay, so again, not a professional chef, I don't claim to be. Soon as you add the vegetables, or actually right before, take your half a lemon, give it a squeeze. And then let these guys cook for a couple of minutes. All right, so the veg has been going for a little bit. Just trying to get a little color on them. We're gonna add some red pepper flakes just to give it a little bit of kick. I don't want to add too much because I don't want Kirsten to not like it. Probably half a teaspoon. And I'm gonna add the chicken back in. We're gonna let that go for another minute or two. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. Chicken should be back up to temp. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let's plate this up and give it a try. See how easy that was? You can make this at home. You can make it in your van, your RV, whatever. Now let's give it a taste. Again, it's chicken, looks good. Let's get the middle. Seasoning is good. Probably would have added a little bit more paprika to it. But it's pretty freaking tasty. Veg. You can put any veg with this. I'm not a big fan of zucchini. I'll eat it if it's cooked. I would have preferred broccoli. I would have preferred spinach, but the zucchini works. I can feel a little heat right now from those red pepper flakes. That's a plus. It's a great, simple dish that you can make at home, you can make on the road. Remember to like Guinness, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you have a recipe you want me to make, let me know. info@burningsereal.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.